Hello everyone, welcoming you to Shorab Sir's classes. And today we are looking at the Azim Premji University MA Economics Entrance Paper 2021, question number 14. Assume that only tax which the government levies in the economy is a lump sum tax. That means T equals to T bar. The economy is demand constrained, that means we are in the Keynesian framework. The government increases expenditure by maintaining a balanced budget. Which of the following remarks would be wrong? Okay. So, balanced budget, so let's look at the options one by one. Change in the government expenditure would be equals to change in taxes. That's true because DG is equals to DT bar greater than 0. That's the basic assumption. The value of the multiplier would be greater than 1. Okay, so let's have a check on this. So y is will be equals to c plus I plus g. So what's the consumption function? C bar plus C prime times Y minus T bar. Investment is autonomous and G is autonomous set by the government. Okay, so if you just 1 minus C prime times Y is equals to C prime minus C prime T bar plus I bar plus D bar. So suppose there is a balanced budget that is imposed. So under balanced budget, what will we see? dg is equals to dt bar. That means if we just differentiate it, 1 minus c prime times dy is equals to minus c prime dt bar plus dg. So 1 minus c prime dy equals to 1 minus c prime dg. So dy is equals to dg, or dy by dg is equals to 1. This is the balanced budget multiplier. So that is equals to 1, not greater than 1. So this is the wrong option. So the answer to this is straightforward option number B. So that's the answer. So now moving on to question number 15 of the Azim Premji University and Economics paper. The consumption function is given, investment is given, G is given, X is given, and the import function is given. If C, I, G, X, and M denote consumption, investment, government expenditure, export, import, and GDP respectively, what is the equilibrium level of GDP? So this is a very straightforward question. We'll just solve it. So the output Y is equals to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Right? So just replace the consumption function. It is 10 plus 0.5Y. Investment is 20. G is 30. X is 5. And this is minus 0.5. So this will be 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.3 times y, and over here we have 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 5. So that makes it 0.8 times y is equals to 65. So what is y star? It is 65 divided by 0.8. That comes out to be 81.25, and that is your option number B over here. So now moving on to question number 16 of the paper. The original Phillips curve is argued to be negatively sloped in the inflation unemployment space on the basis of which assumption? So this is a direct question from theory. So option A, higher employment leads to higher expected price. That's not the direct one. Higher employment leads to higher nominal wages. Then that's correct, because if you want to attract unemployed people, you need to offer higher wages. So the correct option would be option number B in this case. Thank you.